while a PNP revamp is in the offing in connection with the May 2013 midterm elections. PNP Chief says policemen identified to politicians or have relatives running in the elections are certain to be affected by the revamp. Alvin Baltazar with the details.
Police officials and personnel who have relatives running for next year's election would be the first one who may get hit by the reshuffle that would be implemented at the Philippine National Police. According to PNP Chief General Alan Purisima, officials who are also inclined and proved to be identified to a particular politician will also be transferred to new assignment. The Chief PNP said that they wanted to preserve their being apolitical and that even ordinary policemen may also be affected by the reshuffle.
Actually, the concentration of the reshuffle is yung magtatapos ng 2 years kanilang termino, yung mga may kamag-anak na tumatakbo sa politika na they can affect the influence the result of the elections, yung mga identified personnel na sa mga politicians na masyado na malapit sa point na nagagamit na sila, aalisin natin lahat yun.
In line with this, Purisima also wanted to find out the length of stay of and provincial directors in their respective areas of jurisdiction so they could have at least an idea who among them must be included in the reorganization.
We will check with the DPRM yung number, but there are many personnel that will be affected.
Meanwhile, the PNP appeals to the Commission on Elections or COMELEC to speed up the release of their budget for next year's national elections, especially that they are now beginning to perform their operation against private armed groups and loose firearms. PNP Controllership Chief Police Director Roque Ramirez said that until now, they are yet to receive their initial budget from the COMELEC amounting to as much as 420 million pesos.
Yun ang dapat ipapag-usap po natin sa COMELEC na kung maaari, mas maaga nilang maibigay yung pondo para at least maibigyan po natin ng kaukulang financial at saka logistical support yung ating mga authorities.
So, kailan po yung pinakamaagang pagkakataon?
Depende po sa COMELEC. Depende na po sa COMELEC yan. But continuous po yung talab natin na mai-release kagad yung pondo ito.
The PNP momentarily is using the reserved fund since there is already an urgency for the of some operational expenses. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.